Guys, welcome back to another video. Yes, so if you are new, welcome, and if you are old, welcome back. So this is Wilms once again. I want to thank you for sharing, for watching, and for subscribing to our channel. I'm about to braid my hair, and so let's get straight into the video. So I have two extensions. I have blue and I have black, so I'm going to mix them and then we will braid with it. Yeah, so these are the braids I had to unbraid them, so I had to unbraid all of them. It was freshly washed though, freshly washed hair, and so this is the last unbraiding. And then I put in my shea butter. Yes, so I put in my shea butter and then put it in a bun and ready. Yes guys, so this is me the following day at work, and I hope you enjoyed watching. See you in our next video. Bye.